crazy. The last time I watched Luka was when he was here for FIBA pa, diba? And I don't know, parang it's just really weird to see him in yellow jersey, but it's really interesting. It was an interesting move. Well, interesting to watch LeBron and Luka together, play together. So yeah, I'm just gonna be a fan of those two. So I'm excited to see them together.
Paano po kayo naging Laker fan?
Paano ako naging Laker fan? Well, honestly, I like LeBron since nasa Cavs pa siya. And then I like Kobe as well. And that's a given din. Pero yun, tas biglang napunta din si LeBron sa Lakers. So ganda din ng siguro progress and journey ng pagiging siguro basketball ano ko. As a basketball na nanonood ng basketball. So yun lang.
What do you think of eating?
Okay, speechless. Honestly, grabe kami ni Bea Del. Dapat siya din in-interview niyo kasi when we had that trade, parang kami agad yung nag-message. Wow. We were like stunned talaga. We don't know how to react, but it was for us an interesting move for the NBA, Lakers and Cavs.